Hey everybody, this is Kirk with An Easy Way to Trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we do our other videos. Okay guys, we're going to be using the 20 EMA, and you can put this on your template to determine when price may start to consolidate. Again, nothing is 100% guaranteed, but we've been testing this, and it looks like when we put the 20 on it, it can let us know when price may start to consolidate. So you're going to be using this along with looking for structure. Remember, we always look for structure to determine whether we're going to get in and out of a trade also. But adding the 20 EMA right here would let us know if price may start to consolidate. All right, EA puts us in a buy or sell right in this area. Don't know, it's just a buy or sell. We look to the left. Price is consolidating on the 20 EMA. Get out of that trade, right? Puts us in a buy right here. Price is going away from the 20. Stay in that trade. All right. Same thing over here. Right, price is going away from the trade. Let's look anywhere over here. Prices, it puts us in a trade anywhere over here for a buy or a sell. All right. We get out of that trade. Now, if it puts us in nothing's 100% again. If it puts you in a buy right here, price is starting to go away. You may think it's okay. All right. But, we can't win all of them. But this is consolidating. Puts you in the sell right here, take the trade. Puts you in the buy, take the trade because price is going away from the 20. Puts you in the buy, going away from the 20. Puts you in the sell, going away from the 20. Right. All right. So that's just a little tool that can help us a lot, guys, along with looking for our structure.